Unlike other Trustmark approved schemes, Retrofit Coordinators who are part of Elmhurst's scheme will have the ability to take an Elmhurst RdSAP survey or XML file and convert it into a full SAP XML file. But what does this actually mean? And why is it so important? Well, Retrofit Coordinators can import this SAP XML file into Elmhurst Design SAP software, and from this we'll have total flexibility when modelling any proposed changes as part of the design process within PAS 2035. Retrofit Coordinators can also swap the assumed defaults found within the SAP XML for more specific data to ensure that it accurately reflects the dwelling. PAS 2035 actually makes specific reference to the fact that where RdSAP data is collected, it should be carefully reviewed and preferably exported to full SAP software. This enables that process to be completed. How does it work? The process is very simple and can be completed in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Select the option to create a new assessment within our retrofit zone. Step 2. Select the appropriate survey from your list of assessments or upload an Elmhurst XML file. Step 3. Add the date and hit submit. And voila, you will have a full SAP XML file created from your imported data. This data can be saved, distributed, and re-imported as required. If you would like more information about this tool and Elmhurst Trustmark approved Retrofit Coordinator scheme, please visit www.elmhurstenergy.co.uk or get in touch with us using the details provided on screen. Thank you.